everyone! Today, we're going to have some fruity fun by drawing 6 different fruits. Get your pencils ready and let's get started. First up, we're drawing an apple. Next, let's draw a banana. Now, let's draw a slice of watermelon. Next is a pineapple. Now, let's draw a strawberry. Finally, let's draw a kiwi. Look at that! We've drawn all 6 fruits, and they look amazing! Now, let's bring them to life with some bright colors. Let's start with the apple. Color it bright red. Now, let's color the banana. Next is our watermelon slice. Let's color the pineapple now. To color the strawberry. Finally, color the kiwi. Look at all these colorful and tasty-looking fruits. Thanks for drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun, and share it with your friends. Hi everyone! Today, we're going to draw 3 tasty fruits: pomegranate, watermelon, and dragon fruit. Ready to start? Let's go! First, let's draw the pomegranate. Next, we'll draw the watermelon. Finally, let's draw the dragon fruit. Time to color. Make the pomegranate a rich red. Now, let's color the dragon fruit. Use bright pink for the skin, green for the leaves. Finally, let's color the watermelon. Use green for the rind, red for the flesh, and black for the seeds. Great job! We've drawn and colored 3 delicious fruits: pomegranate, dragon fruit, and watermelon. Thanks for drawing with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.